to present our working. It is a project of the student. The title of this project, what I mean is the title of this paper, a review of the multi-stage algorithm. This review paper was carried on by the student Velia Nayelita Kurniadi, Vincenzo, Frandico Joan Nathanael. They are from Computer Science Department, School of Computer Science, Bina Nusantara University. And me, myself, Harko Leslie Hendrik Spitwarnes. I'm from Computer Science Department, Graduate Program, Doctor of Computer Science, Bina Nusantara University. So in this paper, we try to review all the previous implementation regarding with multi-stage algorithm. If we talk about the multi-algorithm in this paper, we'll discuss with various concepts and various forms of multi-stage algorithm. And in this case, the author designed this paper by reviewing the literature from previous paper related to multi-stage algorithm. Previous research were conducted using Google Scholar and software published or perished, and carry on in three ways. Yeah? The exploration of multi-stage algorithm publication, classification of multi-stage algorithm publication, and review of multi-stage algorithm publication. And based on these three steps, the literature review will be limited to 26 publications. And the result of this literature review show that the naming of multi-stage algorithm is only limited to mentioning the number of stages in the proposed algorithm, and the abbreviation of its name overlap with the terms in other algorithms. The next example of the MA abbreviation that can be used. In addition, the other abbreviations such as MSA, which is another studies, have the abbreviation of multi-sequence alignment are defined as multi-stage algorithm. So applying a multi-stage algorithm helps minimize the effect higher demand stage requirement between selecting test model by determining the ideal mix between the model of two different data at each calculation phase in algorithm. The multi-stage algorithm was applied to improve the Park-Chen-Yu or PCY algorithm by utilizing several progressive hash tables to reduce the number of competitor sets. PCY itself was created by three researchers named Park, Chen, and Yu, where this algorithm is used to find request item set mining searches for data sets in large data sets here. The payoff in that multi-stage takes many steps to find the continuity set. This paper proposed to know more about the multi-stage algorithm in many ways. With this multi-stage model is multi-scales and stochastic. This paper explores the development and implementation of multi-stage algorithm, including their meaning, because there are many different implementations. And of course, like we have already mentioned, the exploration in this paper will be carried on in three steps, such as exploration of multi-stage algorithm publication, classification, and review the results of the algorithm. Yeah. So in this first step, yeah, the exploration of multi-stage algorithm, we will do the searching using Google Scores. Yeah. So the searching using the title of multi-stage algorithm, yeah, but without using quotation mark, yeah, for all years publication. And we got 582 publications from 1966 to 2021, yeah, including 12 publications that do not have year information. Yeah. However, in this graphic, we just only show the from 1907, something like that, yeah, because the limitation of the presentation. Yeah. So after we are using the searching using Google Scholar, we also searching using published on Paris software. Yeah. And we also have 582 publications, which include 70,165 citations, where citation per year 130.27, citation per paper 12.31, author per paper 2.59, high index 38, and J index 74. Yeah. And based on this result, the paper in 2005, like you see in this graph, had a maximum number citation of 1,170 citation, yeah, while some from 1966, 68, 69, 74, 75, and 80 paper do not have total citation. Yeah. And then this is the second step of the exploration. Yeah. After we try to get the data, the exploration, so we're doing the second step in order to try to reduce the number of the result, because huge number of the finding in the first step, yeah, for 582 paper. So in this step, we're doing the same searching using Google Scholar, yeah, but we using the searching using the title multi-stage algorithm, but in this case we're using quotation mark, yeah, and of course we're doing in all year publication, and we got the paper 52 publication from 1986 to 2021, yeah, including one publication that does not have here information. Yeah. If you look at in this graph, yeah, it is start from 1986 to 2021. Yeah. So this is the 52 results. Yeah. After the searching using the Google Scholar, we're doing for the searching using Publish and Perish as well. And of course, we searching with multi-stage algorithm using quotation mark. Yeah. And we got 52 publication with total 1,474 citation, where citation per year for 42,142.11, citation per paper 28.35, author per paper 2.62, high index 16, and G index 38. Yeah. And 2009 paper had maximum number of citation 482, as you can see in this graph. Yeah. While some from 1986, 2008, 2012, and 2020 paper do not have total citation. And because the number of 50x still huge number, and of course we try to read each of the paper, but we can find the theory of the recognition of the multi-stage algorithm. So we doing the filtering again. Yeah. We found that most of the paper do not have title multi-stage algorithm, but only use the term multi-stage in algorithm proposed or discussed in their publication. So we try to eliminate several publications that did not match the title of multi-stage algorithm, and obtain the remaining 26 papers whose publication title contains sentence of multi-stage algorithm. The 26 publication from 1989 to 2021, and the 2002 paper had maximum number citation of 51, yeah, while the 23 and 29 paper had no total citation. Yeah. So this is the table to represent the number of citation. Yeah. If you look at number 2017, there are maximum 4 paper. Yeah. And for the number sum of citation, the most citation in number 2022, yeah, for 51. Yeah. And this is the number of searching for published Paris. So after the searching for that, we try to look at the searching the finding to limit it using Publish and Paris. So based on that Publish of Paris, based on 26 publication, we have 300 citation, 9.38 citation per year, 11.11 citation per paper, 3.0 author per paper, high index 8, and G index 17. So after the searching for the paper, we tried doing the classification of multi-stage algorithm. So those paper, the 26 paper, were classified by the type publication such as international conference, ranking of international journal using SCImago journal rating. And after we did the research using SCImago, and we got international one for 9 paper, journal key 1 for 6 paper, 3 paper for key 2, 2 paper for key 3, 1 paper for key 4, and no key for paper 4 paper, and 1 doctoral dissertation. So this is show the variance of the papers. Yeah. After they review the paper, so we're doing the review of multi-stage algorithm publication. However, due to limitation of this presentation, we just only show some other papers. Yeah. For example, the oldest paper by Al-Shini Abdul Muhad, this is the paper multi-stage algorithm for fast classification. This is the 1989 papers. Yeah. They try to propose the multi-stage algorithm. Yeah. Implement on a microcomputer where this algorithm has 3 steps in its application named parallel pipe classification, ellipsoidal separation, and close distance classification using Mahalanobis algorithm. Parallel pipe classification is done by conducting classifiers running to determine the smallest and largest value for each feature in the cluster. The next paper, as the newest paper, yeah, after we get the oldest paper, we try to look at the newspaper, the paper by Harkat, Bensit, Altamena. This is 2021 paper with the title A Multi-Step Algorithm Design for Electrocardiogram Signalization. This is the journal Circuit System and Computer. They are from Batna University, Algeria, conduct a study proposing multi-stage algorithm that aim to remove noise in the electrocardiogram ECG signal, and is carried out in 2 stages, where the first step of noise variation is estimated using Donoho Columbine baseline based web. Yeah. Then adaptive Wiener ID is used to remove noise in the second stage. Yeah. A fine Safety Golai SG filter was also applied to extend the restoration paper. And the third paper, we have key one paper by Paulus Melvin William with the title Multi-Stage Algorithm for Single Channel Extended Well Signal, and they were published in 2017 on IEEE translation on aerospace and electronic system. So they are from Georgia Tech Research University, USA, present an algorithm that predict the multi-stage linear and non-linear phase component of extended well time target signal for long-lived coherent integration. This multi-stage algorithm uses the inner product to detect the signal component from phase-specific dictionary, and additionally is performed to predict the target phase component unknown and to 6 order to generate accurate extended stay multi-pass signal. This multi-stage algorithm can be applied to target movement parameters such as lane or road environment change and traffic acceleration condition. Yeah. The next key one paper by Sambri, Jelior, and Lalakirati with the title An Efficient Multi-Stage Algorithm for Full Calibration of the Hemodynamic Model from Both Signal Responses. It was published in International Journal for Numerical Method in Biomedical Engineering, where the algorithm aimed to design method that can accurately diagnose the rhythm for compression generated by piston-driven pacemaker using the liver cardiopulmonary resuscitation (CPR). They have proposed the model to calibrate hemodynamic model, predict the parameter value. So the proposed multi-stage adopt a predictive approach to predict 2 sets of parameters that have different property and scales. And a multi-step strategy is applied by applying combination of Tikhonov regression Newton method (TNM) and Kuebitur-Kalman filter CKF algorithm, and combination of 2, they call it TNM CKF algorithm. So the proposed multi-stage algorithm can calibrate hemodynamic model without a prior knowledge of the value of biophysical parameter and the ability to characterize one or more events. Moreover, different activity level of different neurons can be distinguished by this multi-stage algorithm, wherein the calibration of this model provide control input parameter with excellent accuracy in obtained results. The next key one paper by Isashi, Irusta, Aramendi, Ayala, Alonso with the title A Multi-Stage Algorithm for ECG Rhythm Analysis During Piston-Driven Mechanical Stress Compression, which was published in IEEE translation on Biomedical Engineering. Yeah. They are from University of Basque Country, Spain, proposed multi-stage MHA algorithm that used to filter artifact, namely rhythm analysis algorithm classified by electrocardiogram, ECG, slope, and recursive least square, RLS. The study used data from 230 cardiac arrest patients treated with the Lucas II mechanical CPR device. In addition, the dataset consists of 201 and 844 scalable and non-activated ECG segments of which 140 were 270 were SLS, and 554 rhythm organized US, or the two were used to reduce CPR artifact, followed by applying a three-stage torque and not shock decision during mechanical compression of the piston movement based on the standard defibrillator algorithm and ECG tilt decision, where the data were randomly spread into training and testing data of 60% and 40% respectively. And we also have an example for Key 2 paper by Karve Gobadi with the title Multi-Stage Algorithm for Blood Banking Supply Chain Allocation Problem. It was published in the International Journal of Civil Engineering. They are from Iranian University of Science and Technology. They have proposed multi-stage model for domain decomposition and allocation to reduce the cost and time for distribution of blood component between hospital and blood center by applying graph partitioning of the skull, p-median methodology, and meta-heuristic optimization algorithms such as enhanced colliding body (HBOO) algorithm. In this first stage, this multi-stage algorithm is carried out by forming an agency matrix from the graph, and in the second stage, partitioning the resulting graph from the first stage into subdomains. This multi-stage algorithm was tested to minimize the distance between hospital and blood center in Tehran, Iran, which was an area to 730 square kilometers with a population of 8.4 million people and more than 150 health centers. So as a conclusion, this multi-stage algorithm has various concepts and form. This multi-stage algorithm has many functions in its form, one of which is the stochastic model of the multi-stage algorithm, seen from various papers implemented by multi-stage algorithm itself in the algorithm, where this stochastic model has optimization that are quite difficult to understand, and usually this model is typical time incoherence. The result of literature of these 26 published papers containing the multi-stage sentence algorithm can help understand the meaning of the term multi-stage algorithm itself, which is the use of multi-stage intended for the development of algorithm carried out with more than one state in its application. The use of multi-stage algorithm varies with human life, undeniable that its multi-stage algorithm, apart from various concept and implementation, does not reduce its function as part of how think like a human, which is represented as in the call of multi-stage algorithm. The combination of multi-stage algorithm with other algorithms show the greatness of this algorithm and any algorithm which is, of course, inseparable, and each algorithm can support each other to certainly help and increase efficiency in human life, which is undoubtedly assisted by this algorithm as an implementation how think like a human. Thank you. See you.